what's up guys, and welcome back to my channels. And if you're new, bienvenido a mi canal. Hello, welcome. And I know guys, it's been a minute. It's been like what, a month, 3 weeks, 5 days and 25 seconds since I've been gone. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know exactly how long I've been gone, but I know it's been a while. And this is officially my first video of 2020. Yay! Anyways, I'm a little too excited. Anyways, I have an unboxing today, and if you want to see what this looks like, just keep on watching. But before you see what I have, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. It helps me out and continue creating future content like this. Let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'll always get back to you guys as soon as I can. So without any more jibber jabber, let's get into it. Today I have an unboxing from Tory Burch. I already received it a little bit open right here, so I'm hoping everything is okay in there. It's not open here yet, so well, that's already open. Well, I'm really hoping is that I'm gonna like it and that it's going to fit. So let's see. Okay, and I clicked the gift option so they can wrap it nice for me, because if not, they won't wrap it. And here is my receipt. And I picked this up during the winter sale, which is still going on, guys, so get your hands on it. Cute little card from Tory Burch. I love it how it's nice and packaged. Don't forget to hit that option so you can get it beautifully packaged like this. Ooh. Really am hoping I like this one. I'm glad it's nicely packaged, which lets me know that, let's get on with it. Lets me know that it's brand new and never been used by no one else, or bought and returned. Okay, and I got this beautiful belt bag. Feels really nice. I was a little concerned regarding this because I had seen a video from Joshy Michael, love him so much, here on YouTube, and he reviewed the Fleming in this material. This is rubberized PU, so it's not real leather. And the reason why I decided, even though he said he hated how it felt, I already own a clutch similar in the same material, and I actually like it. I don't have a problem with it. I find that it doesn't scratch as easy. I also own the original Fleming in the actual leather. I will show you guys comparisons right now of the different leathers. But first, let me get into all this. It comes with a little dust bag. I love her dust bags. They're so pretty. And thick. They're really thick as well. Let me get you up and close on this. I'm obsessed with the Fleming line, guys. It's so pretty. I love anything with quilting on it and this type of design. I'm all for it. And I went with this one versus the leather one with the gold hardware because I love me black on black bags. And like I said, I wanted to use this mainly for whenever I go to an amusement park and I don't want to take a backpack or anything like that. This is so cute. I'm actually glad I went for this one. Just because lately I've been on a kick with black bags and black hardware. I have a toy. I bought a YSL Toy Lulu bag in black on black. I'll leave a link down somewhere here so you can check it out. Oh, and it's so gorgeous. So I was a little I had also seen another video on this. There's another girl I forgot her name, but I'll pop up her name somewhere around here. And she is the only other person I've seen a video on this bag, and she sold me. That's the reason why I bought it. She sold me on this bag. Honestly, guys, it doesn't feel that bad. It doesn't have no weird smell to it either. Oh, I love me the black hardware, guys. I just hope this is gonna fit, because your girl ain't no skinny meanie. You know, I'm a size large in pants. So, we shall see if it fits. So, it has a back pocket right here. Okay, so it has a back pocket, which is perfect. My cell phone could go in there. And this one, I believe, retails for, if I'm not mistaken, $2.98. I believe it's $2.98. Because the leather one retails for $3 something. So I love the Fleming. I love the tassel it comes with. All the Flemings, I believe, have this little tassel. It's super cute. And it's removable, so if you guys don't like it, you could always take it off. So it has a really nice pocket. Open this up. Nice zipper. Look at that. But anyways, Alexa, stop. Nobody's calling you. Anyways, and here is the inside of the bag. There's no slip pockets, no zipper pockets inside. It's just one big giant hole in there. And here is the, for anyone that, if you buy one, here it does have this made in China tag right there, and some numbers right there at the bottom. Only thing with matte though that I have noticed with the other bag, the little clutch of that one, I will show you in a minute, you could already see like the fingerprints. I had a little lotion on my hands, and you could see where I touched it. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up. That's the only thing I don't like about this material, that you can see the fingerprints if you have lotion on, which I should have wiped off my lotion. But anyways, you see right here, I'm not even sure if you can see that, but yeah. But I don't really care, because like I said, I want this to take it to amusement parks. Now if you look at the hardware, this is all black hardware, but the actual little zip right here is like a gunmetal hardware, so it's not the same color. Same thing on this side, like gunmetal, and then black right here. But anyways, this is what the chain looks like. I will be trying this on in a minute, so let's hope it fits. Now as far as what fits in this belt bag, let's see. I have, first off, I have the iPhone 8 Plus, so that fits perfectly in there. Then I have my cute little Tory Burch wallet. I have a video on that. Also have that linked so you can watch it. But if I carry that, then there's not a whole lot of room, but there's room. But I would normally not carry this big old wallet. Well, it's not that big, but it's pretty chunky. I wouldn't carry this if I go to an amusement park or something like that. Anyways, hand sanitizer. This is a pretty big one too. I have a smaller one. Let me get that. Okay, well here's the bigger one. Even if you had a bigger one, put it in there. But since Mama has a smaller one, I will put in the smaller hand sanitizer. So the one I usually carry anyways. In there, a lipstick, lip balm, which guys, this is bomb. I recommend this lip balm by Bobbi Brown. Anyways, that, say my headphones, best purchase too from Amazon. And say you wanna, well, I don't think you would carry two wallets in there now, would you? Just for the sake of the video, see. Ooh, and it does fit. And say maybe some tissues. Don't ask me why I have frozen tissues. I have kids, okay? They wanted these, so. Anyways. And bam. Okay, I have way too many stuff in there, but if you wanted to carry a whole bunch of stuff, which I would normally not carry all that, but it fits, so it holds a lot, guys. It really does. I'm just hoping it's gonna fit. I've noticed that it is not adjustable. What the heck? That's as far as it goes. So, guys, I'm not very hopeful it's gonna fit. So, it's so pretty though. And like I said about the fingerprints, I don't know if you can see all up in there, my fingerprints. Can you see them? Can you even see them? No. But, let's test something out. If I decide to wipe it down, okay, where else do I see the fingerprints? Alright, let's try it. I don't know if it was a good idea to do that, but we shall see, right? I'm gonna have to see if this is wipeable or not. And it is. It actually is. Once it dries off a little bit more. Okay, yeah. See? The fingerprints are gone. Okay, see? So you get it dirty, just wipe it off. And I just used the baby wipe. So, okay. Now, for the real question. Will it fit? Let's see. Okay, I took everything out just so it won't be so heavy when I put it on. But guys, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, look at this. It's not fitting. It's not fitting. But, maybe if I put it a little bit higher, I'm going to make this fit. I'm usually a size large in pants. You guys, I don't think this is going to fit. I'm so sad. And I've been wanting a cute belt bag. And I don't think this little baby is going to fit. Well, or, well, it's a little tight. Oh, I'm so mad that that's all it goes. What the heck? Tory Burch, you need to make some for a little bigger girls, okay? Want to wear some belt bags too. Okay. Well, that's how far it'll go. And honestly, I don't like where it's at. What the heck? I mean, your girl is on a diet, so I am planning to lose a little weight. But I don't know if I'll really lose that much weight so I could fit comfortably. Set this up, it's a little distracting. Okay. So, guys, I don't even know if I want to keep it, if this is where it's going to fit. Maybe if I lose a couple of more pounds, maybe it can get it to fit, but okay, I don't think I want it to the side. Oh, right there. I don't know. Let me look at myself in the mirror and tell you what I think. Okay, so, yeah, I don't know if I should keep it or not. But, I mean, it's there, right? It's on there, right? Does it look bad? Let me know in the comments. Say hello to my little child. Can't get nothing done without them interrupting. But anyways, guys, the only other thing I could think about is maybe going to get like another hole right here, and that'll give me like a little inch right there, and that'll be a little bit helpful, and I could just go get that professionally done somewhere. A little hole. I wish they would have just added another hole for us bigger girls. This is the reason why I had bought this one to begin with, because I already own this clutch in the same material, and look, it has held up very nicely. I've had this for a couple of months already. I wore it out to Las Vegas, went clubbing with it, you know, was around drunk people, dropping shit, and it has held up nicely, so there's no scratches on it, at least I don't see in it. It's just a little dirty, like a little liquid or a little something, a smudge of something. But let's do the little wipe test. And boom, just like that, it's gone. So see why I like this material versus, bam, here's my Fleming in the lamb leather. And this baby already has scratches. Scratches. Scratch. And I don't know, look how I can pinch the leather. And I've had this now maybe 2 years already. Would I purchase it again at full price? Hell no, I wouldn't. But I would if it's a good sale. Yes, I would. It's a beautiful bag either way, and I loved it ever since I first bought it. But you know, with time, how it's holding up. You know, guys, I'm not gonna give you no more thoughts. Subscribe to my channel, and I will do another review on this bag. So yeah. So here's the difference between if you go for the matte belt bag in the Rubberized PU or the belt bag in this lamb leather with gold hardware, which they have both in stock at the moment as we speak. They have this color. They have the one with like the Fleming I just showed you with the gold hardware in leather, and they have it in a red color. And I paid for mine. I bought it while there's a 25% off. There was extra 25% off the sale. And I came out with taxes, California taxes, $167 is what I paid for. But at the moment, they have an extra 30% off. So you would pay maybe $10 cheaper than I did. Maybe $157 somewhere, depending on your tax. But what I noticed, that now that they have the extra 30% off, it's final sale. So whatever you purchase right now, you cannot return or exchange. I believe when I bought mine, there was nothing that said final sale. So I don't know if I should keep it and make that extra little hole to make it fit, or if I should just return it. Even if I didn't want to wear it on my waist, like this is not an option, guys. Your girl's a triple D, and this baby, look how uncomfortable that is. That is not gonna work. You know, no. So decisions. I don't know what to do. Help me out. Leave them down in the comments, guys. Should I keep it and just make that extra little hole and hope once I lose some weight it'll fit, or should I return it? Now keep in mind, guys, if you go for either the lamb one or this one, it's final sale as of right now. But also the one in the lamb leather with the gold hardware, that is, I believe, like 20 bucks more, somewhere around there, than this one. So it's up to you if you decide the lamb leather is worth it, or if you're fine with the rubberized PU bag. I'm freaking fine with it. For what I want it for, guys, I am fine with it. And I love that it's all black. So, and it feels nice. I know Joshy hated it, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. I like how it feels. It feels really soft and smooth. Almost makes me want to eat it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why I said that. But it feels really nice. Yeah. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, learned something, or was helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. And please hit that bell notification, guys, because I will be uploading my Tory Burch collection, my Coach collection, and all my handbags collection real soon. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. For any questions or comments, leave them down below. I always get back to you guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.